Marine mobile lifts offer a safe and efficient way to launch and retrieve vessels for maintenance or storage. Conolift has been building robust and economical low-maintenance marine lifts since the 80s. Boats are getting bigger, heavier, and challenging to handle. Maximizing your yard and building space is critical. Conolift offers optional all-wheel drive and all-wheel steering, which allows flexibility. For complete control and the safest lift, carry, and set, we offer a full-function remote control system, which also supplies load information, engine information, diagnostics, and more. We can simultaneously or independently control 4 lift points. As the vessel clears the water, the load gauges will give the operator an instant and accurate measurement of the actual weight of the vessel. This is all powered by reliable Caterpillar Tier 3 diesel engines. Power is distributed by high-quality hydraulic pumps, cylinders, winches, and planetary drives. A number of options are available, which include hydraulic sling positioners, night and cold weather packages, and 4-wheel steering for maximum maneuverability. Conolift's high-quality and proven designs are built into each mobile lift we deliver. Conolift offers a full range of products that work for you. Please contact us to discuss how we can help you maximize your time, increase productivity, and better use your space. Conolift,